Hello everyone, Brian Spangler here with Karl Chevrolet GMC Buick in Webster City. We want to welcome you to our new location of 1705 2nd Street, just 2 miles west of our old location. Come on in, I'm going to show you what we got going on. This is our front showroom area. This will house any of the parts needs that you may have, any of your automotive needs when it comes to new or pre-owned cars. It's a wide open area compared to our previous location. There's a waiting area for service and parts, and then we have our friendly sales staff here that will help you with all your automotive needs. Okay, so when you pull up to the new dealership, you're going to pull in the front drive and you'll end up coming up here to this large door. This is our service department drawer. When you come up to here, you can either park your car and get out and walk in our entrance, or there'll be a service rider here that'll automatically open that door for you. When you come in, Aaron or Cole here will be able to get you checked in and get all your automotive needs taken care of. As you come with me, I'll walk back here and I'll show you the rest of the shop. So as we enter this back shop back here, we'll give you a little tour. We have 4 10,000-pound hoists, 3 12,000-pound hoists, and we also have a 20,000-pound hoist that can do pretty much about any type of vehicle. We have an alignment rack, which we didn't have at the previous location, which allows us to basically be a one-stop shop for all of your automotive needs. Out of all the services that we're able to offer now at the new location, one of them that we're probably most excited about is our body shop. Mark or Mitch will be able to assist you in all your body shop needs. You can either go through the first entrance or you can come to our back entrance. This is directly right to where their offices are. As you can see, the body shop's already up and in full motion. We have a frame machine, we have 1 paint booth, and we have a couple of techs that have already started getting the work underway. With the extra space that we have, it allows us to be a one-stop shop for the body shop. Whether it's a dent, whether it's a scratch, we can do it all. Insurance companies, we partner with them too. It doesn't matter if it's Progressive, Geico, State Farm, or any of the others. We partner with all of them to help you with any of your body shop needs. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. From all of us here at Karl of Webster City, we look forward to seeing you soon.